this motorcycle will actually tell you, do what you want.
We are the one who created the first custom in India.
By definition, this motorcycle was supposed to be at the top end of the performance spectrum within the Jawa Motorcycles company.
We faced a lot of challenges which were very interesting also for us as an engineer to work on. Like in conventional bikes, you find a lot of space to package air filter, battery and electrical part. Below the seat, a lot of space is available. The seat was floating seat and that has to be neat and clean. There should be no structural members visible under the seat. Also the monoshock was to be at a certain angle and it has to be packaged that way.
A long wheelbase, wide tires at the back and a single seat with a very low CG. Perfect performance motorcycling in the bobber category.
Jawa 42 Bobber, the idea was to create a factory custom bike, and I think we are the one who created the first custom in India. And we wanted to go bold in this. We wanted to create a statement.
We specifically had to design the tires for this motorcycle so that the performance of this motorcycle while braking on wet surfaces was optimized. A nice, clean, easy sounding engine, a very distinct styling, a unique seat, a subframe missing on this motorcycle complemented by an adjustable seat and beautiful chrome work. That is how the 42 Bobber was envisioned.
In the end, customer gets a powerful statement, and it's a head turner. Whenever you ride it, you feel happy about it.
And it was a very interesting journey to work on this bike.